This might be the last BMW M car that actually feels dangerous. Not electric, not over-digitized, not built to impress tech reviewers. Just raw power, rear-wheel drive, and a coupe that still gives a damn about the driver. This is the 2026 BMW M2, and it's BMW reminding the world they still remember how to build a real performance car. One look tells you everything. Wide, low, planted. Even standing still, the M2 looks like it wants a fight. The stance is wider, the body is stretched tight over its wheels, and the proportions feel old-school muscle, sharpened for the modern era. Flared fenders, aggressive LED headlights, oversized kidney grills. This isn't a polite BMW, and it's not trying to be. Around back, the message gets louder. Quad exhaust tips, a serious diffuser, a subtle lip spoiler that whispers track ready instead of screaming for attention. It's aggressive, but controlled. BMW didn't overcook it. And then there's the engine. Under the hood sits the S58. A 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six pushing around 480 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. But this power isn't about flexing numbers. Throttle response is sharper. Acceleration hits harder. The pull doesn't fade, it builds. This car wants to be driven hard, and BMW proves it by giving you a choice, a 6-speed manual, because some drivers still care about connection, or an 8-speed automatic if lap times are your religion. 0 to 60 in about 3.8 seconds. Top speed 155 mph or 177 with the M driver's package. That's serious speed from a compact coupe. But speed isn't why the M2 matters. Handling is. Adaptive M suspension, active M differential, wider track front and rear. The grip is insane. The balance feels locked in. And the steering actually talks back. Something most modern performance cars forgot how to do. Hard braking, no drama. No fade, just confidence. Inside, BMW keeps it focused. Carbon bucket seats lock you in. Flat bottom steering wheel. Carbon fiber everywhere that matters. Yes, there's tech. The curved display with iDrive 9 is clean and responsive. But it doesn't hijack the experience. This car is still built around driving first. And here's the surprise. It's livable. Rear seats you can actually use. A trunk that fits real stuff. You could daily this if you got the self-control. Pricing is expected around $66,000 to $68,000, with loaded builds pushing past $75,000. Not cheap. But in today's market, for this level of feel, performance, and attitude, it makes sense. The 2026 BMW M2 isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It doesn't chase trends, it doesn't worship screens, it doesn't apologize. It's driving, distilled, built for people who love the act of driving, not just owning a fast car. Because cars like this are disappearing, and once they're gone, they're not coming back. So here's the real question. Would you take this? Or are modern cars already too soft for your taste? Drop your answer in the comments.